Hello. Welcome back to Womiba Finance channel. Please. Today is a very good day. It seems it's a very good day because we have an interesting topic to talk about today. Yesterday we talked about Slovenia, how the farm job is going, how people are becoming successful in getting it. So there are many people now with their visa to move to Slovenia. Now, education routes or study routes in college. Because why Slovenia, you might ask? Because there are many people that don't have that bulk money to pay for United Kingdom fees or Canada fees. It's not only about paying, it's about, making the proof of funds up, gathering information, gathering everything you need to prove that you can, do this course. So this is why we are here. So we are here to tell you the cheaper routes because with euros, 2,000 euros till 3,000 euros, you can actually migrate to Slovenia and do a college course, which is level 6 and 7 in European Union. So now I want to say something before we go into it. If your problem is school fees and you want a cheaper school fees in an European country, because I understand most people don't want to go to other country, to work themselves into Europe. They want to go to Europe and stay in Europe to mark the 5 years number in an European country so that they can get a permanent resident. I understand that. And again, most people want a situation where restrictions are not attached, whether they are bringing their family members or not. They want access where their family members can come with them. So now you have it. If these two things are the things holding you back from going to Europe, stay with me and I will be right back to tell you the things you need and how you need to start your application in European Union. But they are in Slovenia. Slovenia, is in the middle of Hungary, Italy, Macedonia or the other country. I've forgotten there's another country. But you are close. It's a 1-hour drive to Venice. Venice or Venice, I don't know. So you are close to Italy and you are close to Hungary and Hungary. You're close to Hungary and you're close to Kosovo and all that countries around down Germany. So now you have you have alternative. Let me just use alternative or another route to European Union. You will have alternative at the end of this video to prepare you to go to Europe in true study routes that will not cost you so much. So if these things are something that you know, that you have 2,000 euros, which is $2,200, $2,200, or in Naira is about 2.2 million or 3 million. So these are the school fees. So if this is, your cup of tea, please stay with me and I will be right back to give you all the informations and the requirements so that you can start moving. Okay, I'll be right back. Hello guys. Like I said before, Slovenia is a beautiful country. There's no doubt about that. They have excellent, almost excellent environment, security, and all that, because it's a population, Slovenia, a country with population of 2.2 million people. So it's quite a small country. But they want international students and they want exchange of knowledge. So because of tech and innovation is a topic everywhere. So people are looking for how to get themselves to compete in that aspect. So now, number one college, before we go to number one college, we have to tell you the requirements. You need your international passport, criminal record, proof of fund that you have the school fees to pay, although you will pay deposit. And again, your accommodation, you need to, express that you have money to pay for accommodation. Accommodation is normally, if you want to go to dormitory, their college dormitory is so cheap. I saw online 150 euros. But if you want to live outside, it's as from 250 euros to 300 euros. So you have options there to either lower your living expenses or you leave it to live comfortably. So Slovenia is giving you many options in accommodation, in school fees. So you don't have to worry about money. But now, the next thing that they want to is you will need is your transcript and your CV, your cover letter, and your references. These are the things that you need to apply for in any of these college I will be mentioning. So now you know what you need to be getting, your original certificates, transcript, criminal record, travel insurance, and your passports and the photo size visa application photos. So now all these things are the things that you need. I believe that most of you already have all these things, because if you want to travel out and you are a graduate, you need to have gotten your transcript from your school and some references from your school lecturers. So now let's move. Number one college is VSS.SC. This college now is I don't know the pronunciation, but the link, the website is in here, and you can copy it down and put it in your Google search, and it will take you to the school website. So this school, if you want to do digital courses, engineering, this is the school you will be going. Their school fees start from 1,500 euros till 7,000 euros, but the cost, when I was checking their engineering, I saw courses that are 2,000 euros. So it's not even up to 2.5 million. Then you have paid your school fees. So you can see how cheap this school is. And again, what they require of you is so small. These things I have mentioned, your transcript, your passport, and your distance. So that's no like, it is not like so overwhelming to provide, or what they are asking. It cannot overwhelm you if you are ready to move abroad. Now, you will ask again, these courses, are they teaching in the English in this school? Yes, they teach in English, and over 70% population of Slovenia speak English and understand English. But anyway, in this video, I'll be showing you like the greeting, hello, all those kind of language. I will be sharing their Slovenia equivalent, translation in this video, and you'll be getting like, what are they calling those words? Conversational words like hello, hi, this kind of words. So now this school fees is cheap, visa application is cheap. You only need your transcript, your cover letter, your CV, your criminal record, and your insurance, travel insurance, medical insurance, and all that. These are the only things that you need at the moment. So now let's move to the second school. The second school is VSSK V.SI. So this school now, it is is a school, like is a beauty college. They do beauty and wellness, if you are making soap, or you're doing like therapy, all this massaging, this beauty and wellness college. So this, if engineering, data science, like the first school, is not your cup of tea, but you want to travel, and the school fees is quite cheap. It's 2,790 euros, the whole school fees. So it's quite cheap. So now this college, they have January and September, that's summer starts. So but 2023 is already gone. So we are talking of January 2024, which is in few months or few weeks, and we are talking of September 2024. So to prepare your mind, and if you don't have like 20,000 pounds, 15,000 pounds, 12,000 pounds to pay in UK universities, these are your alternative. You only need 2,000 something for full school fees. So this is where you can now start your journey, to have access to European passports. The next thing another person that is watching this video will ask me, are these courses taught in English? Is that the school I have given you is English, the courses they have are English taught courses. So now, the next question you will ask me is this: how is the acceptance rate? Obviously, if you if you put an application in a school and they give you offer letter, the next thing you need is to go to embassy and apply for a study visa, and you will get it. So it's not like you need to check proof of funds. This is 2.2 million. So most of you have deposit of 5 million, but this school, with that money you have paid, even pay your living wage from till you graduate from this school. So now this is your cheap offer to European school. And the next thing you might ask is this: can you work when you're studying? Yes, you are allowed to work when you are studying, and work full-time during the long vacation, because that's a summer break and that's a Christmas break. If you're coming from January, you will do the Easter and all those break. Midterm, is it midterm they're calling it? Yeah, you will do midterm break. Then if your September starts, I think it's after summer that you need to start. So just like people now coming to UK to study, now this is the time they study. So now this is the time they come in to study, because this is after summer. We are now in autumn. We've gone away from summer. So now the next question you will ask again: after studying, will you stay? Did they give post-study work? Yes, of course. They give you the post-study work, and I want you to take it. Then after 2 to 3 years, then you can apply for your permanent residence. When you get it, after 1 year, you get your citizenship. Then after that, you can decide to come to other European country, like France, like Germany. Like you can, with your European Union passport, you are entitled to come and apply for work permit visa in United Kingdom, but you are visa free in United Kingdom and visa free in America, visa free in Canada, visa free in New Zealand, and visa free in Australia. So any European citizen passport is visa free to all the countries in above top 10 tier. So this is it. You have alternative, and you have a cheap school in Europe. So it's up to you to make your decisions. And again, while making your decisions, please, 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 don't forget Womiba Finance channel. Give us a like, comment, share. Spread the gospel message with your parents, with your siblings, with your friends, associates, mates, colleagues, and please subscribe. Please share in your social media platform. It doesn't cost you any money. Nobody will charge you. It's just to help us, wake up our algorithm up. Then, this is where I'll be ending this video. And thank you so much for staying till this minute. And if you have any question, you come to WTP. In WTP, while you're making your application, running around to make sure that everything is easy, you might have some personal question or individualized question to ask. Please come to WTP. The link is the first comment pinned under this post, under this video. Thank you so much once again. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.